Hello everyone, welcome to TechCAD Guru. In today's session, we are going to see model number 6, which is creating a roof. So you can see that here is an example which we have created a roof with some slope. So how to create this? It's very simple. So just stay tuned and do not forward the video so that you get an right information with the right process. So let's go into the back. So now this is the level 2. So this is our last level, which is level 2, in which we have to create the roof. So select level 2. It's similar to the floor. Go into the architectural tab, roof by footprint. Similarly, you can select any one of these options. Just click an OK button. Go into the 3D. Our desired roof has been selected. So, if you want to reduce the height of the roof, you can drag it down here like this. Then if you want to play with the slopes of the roofs, so what you can do is go again into the level 2, double click. After selecting this, define slopes. So here you have to define the slope. This should be tick. Give 30% slope and click an OK button. Now go into 3D. So as you can see that here 30% slope has been given. Similarly, you can give it to any of these sides by again going into the floor plan, clicking, double click, again select. So these are the now 30% slopes. And this, let's make it something around 12 or 9%. And this also 9%. Hit OK, go into 3D. See, this is 9% and this is 9%. So it is maintained very nicely. So this is all regards the roof, which is to be created in the Revit. If you want to, know more detail about the Revit, you can just try out these. It's the same like floor by extrusions. So for example, let's see, pick a plane. So if I select this. So guys, this is all about the roof, which we have seen. I hope you all have understood about this. If you have any doubts, please comment down in the comment section. Do like our video, subscribe and share. In the next video, we are model 7. We are going to see, this is the model 7, the placement of the element which is named as door. So how to place doors in the project, and further on, we'll see how to place windows, etc. So let's focus on doors on the next video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.